opponents make peace. The princes had learnt about the war through the stories of the swans and the peacocks. Vishnu Sharma told them that even the greatest kings finally get tired of war. The swans had been defeated by the peacocks. King Jewel Plume had plundered the fort and taken away a lot of wealth from Karpuradvipa to his own kingdom. But both the kingdoms did not want a long and destructive war. They wanted to make peace. So the prime ministers of both the kingdoms decided to consult each other and work out a peaceful settlement. Durdarshi, the vulture, and Chakravaka, the goose, got together to create a peace. How did that happen? Asked the princes. So Vishnu Sharma told them the story of the peace drawn up by the swans and the peacocks after the war was over. The king discusses the defeat. King Silver Plume was talking to Chakravaka after the war. Who do you think set fire to our fort and the houses in it? He asked. I wonder if it was a spy from the enemy's camp or one of our own who betrayed us, leaving the fort to be destroyed and plundered. I suspect this was done by Meghavarna, the crow, whom you had befriended, sir, replied Chakravaka. There was no reason for him to come to you earlier. Now we can't see him or his people anywhere. The king sadly said, it was all destiny that caused it. But Chakravaka said firmly, no sir, we blame destiny when things go wrong. But actually, it is our own failure to do the right thing or to listen to good advice that causes our trouble. It is like the foolish tortoise who wouldn't listen to his friends. The Endangered Lake. The king Silver Plume wanted to know what Chakravaka meant about the foolish tortoise. So he told the story to the king. In the kingdom of Magda, long ago, there was a beautiful lake. Many birds and water creatures lived there in harmony. Among them were two lovely swans, Sankata and Vikata, who were friends with a tortoise who also lived in the lake. One day, some fishermen came there, and the three friends heard them talking. Tomorrow, said one of the fishermen, we will cast our nets in this lake and catch the fish and other creatures. They camped close by in the forest. The tortoise, in a panic, turned to his friends and asked, did you hear what they said? What shall we do to escape? Let's wait till the morning, said the swans. We will think of something by then. After that, we'll decide. We should plan, otherwise we will die, said the tortoise. The three fishes. The tortoise told them the story of the three fishes. They lived in this lake, began the tortoise, and they faced the same situation that we are facing now. Some fishermen had decided to lay nets to catch all the fish in the lake. The three fishes consulted one another. The first fish decided that the best thing to do would be to go to another lake. So he said goodbye to his friends and went away. When the other two discussed it and the second fish decided there was no point doing anything now. When the trouble arose, he would take action. He said, like the woman who was able to fool her husband, the merchant, even when she tried to protect her lover in front of him. The third fish did not know that story, so he asked about it. Then the second fish told it to him.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.